So the response for nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. What else? No, wait. Another one. What else? What else? Okay. We have nice to meet you too. That's the first answer, the first response. What else? Who can tell me? Okay.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Excellent, good job. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. So nice to meet you too. Or it's a pleasure to meet you. So what about the next one? How are you? Yes, what's the best response? What's the response for how are you? Yes, Julie? I'm good. Is this the first answer? Yes. So, for example, can someone ask me about how are you? I can say I'm good. What else? I'm fine, thanks, and you? Okay, this is another response. What else? Is there anything else? Someone say how are you? I can say, for example, what? I'm good. That's right. I'm good. How are you? Oh, I'm good. Okay, yeah. Not bad. Yes, so how are you? Not bad. Okay, Julie. Great. Yes, that's right. So how are you? I'm good. Not bad. Great. I'm fine. All these responses for how are you? Okay. Pretty good. What's the meaning of pretty? Pretty means very. So, how are you? Pretty good. So I can say, how's it going? Oh, pretty good. Pretty good means what, Julie? Very good. I'm very good. Okay. Other. Water. City. الكلمة لسه قلتها بقى هيك لسه ما اتفتحتش من على البورد اللي هي see you later. هقولها later؟ لا. اسمها ايه؟ later. جودي خليك معايا. later. الكلمة اللي هي معناها أفضل أقول عليها better؟ لا اسمها ايه؟ better. يبقى better اللي هي بقى بنقول عليها better اللي هي أفضل لا اسمها ايه؟ better. طب هل ده مع الكلمات بس؟ أنا ممكن كلمتين مع بعض. بص الكلمة دي what is your name؟ مش هتلاقي واحد بيقول لك what is your name؟ اسمها ايه؟ what is your name؟ جت منين بقى؟ what this دي؟ جت منين دي؟ قال لي إن حرف التي هنا بص كده الكلمة اهي حرف التي جاي من ايه؟ حرفين متحركين أو صوتين متحركين الاي والاي صح؟ يبقى ينطبق عليه القاعدة بتاعتنا اللي هي الامريكان تي. طب بص he asked her the first question he asked her who are you? That means he knows her or not? Not. He doesn't know her. Yeah, that's right. Because he said who are you? When you enter your house and see someone strange, okay, you would say who are you? That means you don't know him. So he doesn't know this girl. This is the first time to meet or the second time? The first time or the second time? The first time, because he doesn't meet her before. Okay, Elena?
What are you doing?
He's staying with us, dude.
Why don't you tell me what you say?
Oh, I do. I tell you everything.
The first word with us, he said, this is my gorgeous brother. What's the meaning of gorgeous? Okay? So I choose, but don't look to the board, okay? Okay, start acting lean. Yes, excellent. It's hot. So it's very easy. Thank you, Ahmed. Go to your place. So we have here group A and group B. Group A, true. Okay, group B. Anna, sit down, please. Ahmed, are you ready? Okay. It's easy. Look at the sky. Yes, it's raining. Excellent. I helped it too. Okay, it's raining. Again. اطلع برا. Very easy. Excellent, Adam. Excellent acting. No. Like this. Yes. Excellent. Huh? You do it like this.
Umbrella.
Yes. It's umbrella. What can you do more than this? She doesn't need biscuits.
The school is very near. The near school is very near to me.
Yes, it's very near to home. Excellent.
Regina has 4 brothers and 3 sisters.
Elena has 4 brothers and 3 sisters.
Victor has 25 years.
Yes, Victor. Who is Victor?
Is the brother of
Agatha. Yes, Agatha's brother. Excellent.
Agatha and this sister would shopping.
Yes, Agatha and her sister go shopping every day. That's right. What about her sister? She's a kind person. Yes, very difficult person. She said that my sister Billy is a very difficult person. Okay.
Felix can.
Yes. So Agatha has a cat. It's called Felix.
And
Canary.
Tweety.
Yes, called the Tweety. Okay.
Victory is punctual.
Punctual. Punctual person is a person who arrives on time.